Tesla reveals latest Giga Texas production milestone. Tesla celebrated a major production milestone at its Gigafactory in Austin, Texas this week, just as the company continues to ramp up production of its refreshed Model Y on Friday. Tesla announced in a post on X that Giga Texas has officially produced its 400,000th vehicle, coming after the first production Model Y rolled off the line in 2021. The post was accompanied by a pair of photos celebrating the milestone, and Tesla's setup for one of the pictures was also captured in drone footage by Joe Tetmeyer earlier this week. Congrats to the Giga Texas team on producing their 400,000th vehicle, Tesla writes. Tesla's Giga Texas produces both the Model Y and the Cybertruck, and the figure includes both vehicles. The Model Y also makes up the vast majority of production output at the facility. You can see Tesla's photos and Tetmeyer's video on the achievement below. Tesla's Giga Texas vehicles now drive themselves to outbound lot. Tesla has been ramping up production of the non-launch edition of the refreshed Model Y at Giga Texas in recent weeks, after the company officially stopped selling the launch units a few weeks ago. In North America, the launch edition Model Y included special badges on the liftgate, door sill puddle light, and center console, interior upgrades such as vegan suede trim and premium floor mats, and the inclusion of supervised full self-driving FSD. The automaker has also been building the Cybertruck at Giga Texas for over a year now, while pre-production and trial builds were quietly taking place throughout the latter part of 2023. Earlier this week, Tesla also released a more affordable rear-wheel drive Cybertruck with 362 miles of range, coming as the vehicle's third trim option after the dual-motor AWD and the so-called Cyberbeast tri-motor configurations. Reports have also suggested that Tesla is already preparing production lines for the upcoming Cybercab, which is a two-seat robotaxi with no steering wheel or pedals. The company is also aiming to launch its first unsupervised FSD rides in Austin, Texas in June, while Cybercabs have recently been spotted being tested at Giga Texas in increasing numbers. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.